Hey everyone! Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best backpack cooler. The backpack cooler is a versatile and convenient solution for keeping your refreshments cool while on the go. Backpack cooler can keep your drinks and snacks chilled for extended periods, ensuring that you always have refreshments at the perfect temperature. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. I included all product links in the description box. Without further ado, let's dive right into the highly anticipated top 5 lists. Number 1. Turret 30 Cans Lightweight Backpack Cooler Leak Proof. The Turret Cooler Backpack boasts an impressive capacity. With the ability to hold up to 30 cans, you can pack all your favorite beverages and snacks for a day out. The spacious main compartment provides ample room for storing food, drinks, and ice packs, ensuring that you have everything you need to keep your refreshments cool and fresh. Constructed using high-quality materials, this backpack weighs only a fraction of traditional coolers, making it incredibly easy to carry. Whether you're hiking, camping, or simply enjoying a day at the beach, the lightweight nature of this cooler backpack ensures that you won't be burdened by unnecessary weight. Leaky coolers can quickly dampen the mood of any outdoor adventure. However, the Turret Cooler Backpack eliminates this concern with its leak-proof insulation. The high-density, closed-cell foam insulation effectively seals in the cold, preventing any unwanted leaks or drips. Number 2. Carhartt Insulated 24-Can 2-Compartment Cooler Backpack Black. Carhartt is synonymous with durability, and the Insulated 24-Can 2-Compartment Cooler Backpack is no exception. Crafted from high-quality materials, this backpack is built to withstand the toughest outdoor conditions. Its rugged, water-repellent fabric ensures that your belongings remain safe and dry, even in inclement weather. With reinforced stitching and heavy-duty construction, this backpack is ready to accompany you on all your adventures, no matter how demanding. This cooler backpack apart is a clever 2-compartment design. The bottom compartment is fully insulated and serves as a cooler base, capable of accommodating up to 24 cans. This separate compartment ensures that your drinks and snacks stay chilled and organized, while the top compartment offers ample space for your items, such as gear, books, or extra layers of clothing. The thoughtful division of compartments provides convenience without compromising on functionality. Equipped with a fully insulated cooler base, the Carhartt Cooler Backpack excels in keeping your refreshments at optimal temperatures. The insulation effectively retains the cold, ensuring that your drinks and food remain cool and refreshing throughout the day. Number 3. Carhartt Unisex Cooler Backpack. This Carhartt insulated cooler backpack offers optimal organization and convenience. The bottom compartment serves as a fully insulated cooler base, capable of holding up to 24 cans. This dedicated cooler section keeps your beverages refreshingly cold, while the top compartment provides ample space for storing personal items, such as clothing, electronics, or hiking gear. This thoughtful division of compartments ensures efficient packing and easy access to both essentials and refreshments. The Carhartt insulated cooler backpack offers optimal organization and convenience. The bottom compartment serves as a fully insulated cooler base, capable of holding up to 24 cans. This dedicated cooler section keeps your beverages refreshingly cold, while the top compartment provides ample space for storing personal items, such as clothing, electronics, or hiking gear. Number 4. Earthpack Insulated Backpack Cooler. The Earthpack Insulated Backpack Cooler is 100% waterproof and heavy-duty construction. Crafted from premium materials, this backpack cooler is built to withstand rugged outdoor conditions. Whether you encounter rain, splashes, or accidental submersions, your belongings and refreshments will remain dry and protected. The durable exterior ensures longevity, making this cooler a reliable companion for countless adventures. This backpack cooler delivers exceptional cooling performance, allowing you to enjoy cold drinks and fresh food for extended periods. The high-density insulation foam effectively locks in the cold, maintaining temperatures inside the cooler for up to 72 hours. This impressive cooling capability ensures that you can savor cool refreshments, even during multi-day trips or in hot weather conditions. This versatile backpack cooler by Earthpack is suitable for a wide range of outdoor activities. Whether you're camping, hiking, fishing, kayaking, attending sports events, or enjoying a day at the beach, this cooler backpack is the perfect companion. Number 5. IceMeal Pro Collapsible Backpack Cooler. The IceMeal Pro Collapsible Backpack Cooler is its hands-free portability. Designed with comfortable and adjustable backpack straps, this cooler allows you to carry it on your back, leaving your hands free for other activities. Whether you're hiking, biking, or navigating through a crowded event, this backpack cooler offers unparalleled convenience, allowing you to focus on your adventure while keeping your refreshments cool. This backpack cooler is constructed with rugged and waterproof materials, ensuring that your belongings and refreshments stay dry even in the harshest conditions. Whether you encounter rain, splashes, or accidental submersions, this cooler can handle it all. Its waterproof design also makes cleaning and maintenance a breeze, allowing you to enjoy your outdoor adventures without worrying about the integrity of your cooler. Thank you for watching my video. If you found it helpful, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you never miss any of my daily videos. If you're looking for more information or want to know the price of a particular product, check out the description box below. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Remember, life is short, so why not make it easier with cool products?